Hi, I'm Jenny from Tuftinglove, and today we're going to talk about the bundle deal of the AK5 and the AK Duo High Pile. This is a big ass tufting machine. So with the combination of these two, you can achieve super nice 3D leveling and texture differences in your tufted pieces. The AK5 is our smoothest, most lightweight tufting machine, my absolute favorite because it has this tiny light in front here and it has a digital speed control in the back. It's super handy, super smooth to tuft with, and you can tuft the range between 7 and 17 millimeters, like all the regular basic tufting machines. This one is perfect for all beginners and advanced tufters and gives you a nice base level for your tufted floors. Now, if you want to go crazy 3D, like up to 45 millimeters, like a super fluffy high pile, we're talking about the AK Duo High version. The AK Duo exists in different height options. In this bundle, it's the highest version with the AK5. So this one can actually tuft, cut and loop with a pretty easy system to change that compared to other tufting machines, and it can go up to 45 millimeters, which gives you a nice range for super fluffy soft rugs, especially also if you want to work with these different three-dimensional textures. So like that, you can achieve like these nice 3D steps, and you can also tuft high fluffy loops, which also make your rug super soft and give it that extra structure which the loops create. So if you're looking to add more depth and texture options to your tufted pieces, these two are a dream team for your work. And if you have any more questions, just drop me an email down below and I'm happy to help you. Otherwise, enjoy shopping, choose your favorite color of the AK Duo High Pile, and then happy tufting. Bye!